go to www.basecamp.com. Click Login. Type in your email, password, and click Sign In. After signing in, you will be brought to a dashboard showing the most recent events, milestones, additions, and activities in each project you belong to. At the top are tabs that take you to different pages after clicking on them. A sidebar lists all of your projects, and when you click on one, an overview of that specific project comes up. This shows the most recent events, milestones, additions, and activities for your project. You can subscribe to emails and find a list of all the people in the project. Tabs for pages are at the top, and clicking on one brings you to that page. Back to Dashboard, it lets you return to the first page for all your projects. Click Sign Out to sign out of your account.
This tab is used to make messages or comment on current posted messages. First, I'm going to show you how to post a comment on a message. First, you would go to the message you want to post a comment on and click on Add a comment. If the message already has a comment, it will show up as N comments, N being the number of comments the message has. After doing so, you will be brought to this page. At the top of the message, you will see who posted it, and below that is the date it was posted on, and below that is the message itself. Also, you will be able to see other people's comments. At the bottom of the message is where you would write your comment. After writing your comment, you can also add a file, if you like, by clicking on Attach File to this comment. Finally, before you post it, you can preview it by clicking on Preview. If you are happy with the comment, then you can just click Add this comment. Now let's go back to the Messages tab. I'm going to now show you how to post a new message. To post a new message, you would click on Post a New Message. After clicking on that, you will be brought to this page. The top of the page is where you would put the title on, where it says Title. Below that is where you would put a category. And in the blank empty box is where you would put the message. And if you look to the bottom, where there is a box called Private Message, with that, this is what you can use to make it only visible to your company. And below that, you will see a paperclip. Next to it will be a button called Choose a File. This is where you can attach a file or a picture. Now scroll all the way down. After doing so, you will see a list of people in your group, and you can check the All Of and your name of the group to let everyone in your group able to see it, or check certain names to let them see it only. And when you're done, you can post it. Hope that helps.
Your calendar tab keeps track of events and milestones. An event is a casual meeting like a work session, and a milestone is a major event like a launch or a deadline. I'm going to show you how to create an event. You can click on Add New Event, or you can click on the day you want it to occur. I'm just going to pick a day. When you click on a date, this box should show up. This is how you make an event. You add a title, set a time and a date. You have the option to make it a multi-day event, but I'm not, so I'll just click on Add This Event. And it should show up that you have an event that day. And if you want to delete the event, simply click on the date and the trash icon will be at the bottom right. And you just click on that and delete.
Use a time tracking system which track the number of hours spent on various components on that project. For example, when you click on time, you will see this page. On the left side of the page, you will see the date. Click on the date, set up the date. Person, your name of course, click your name. Time, how many hours you have worked. For example, I have worked for 1 hour, 30 minutes. I have to put it in decimal number like 1.50. And a brief description. I did Basecamp tutorial. And then I click Add Log. But then I realized that I made a mistake, so I can always click on this red button, Edit, and then fix what I have to fix. Basecamp tutorial. And then I click save. But then if I realize that I made a huge amount of mistakes, I can just click on this thread icon, which it will delete the whole thing.
For files, you can upload finished projects or unfinished projects for your clients or co-workers to see. To upload a file, you click on upload a file. You click on choose a file. You click on whatever file that you need, and for a description, you could put whatever. So I'm going to put example. It's an option to make this file private or not, and you could also add on your coworkers, and it would send an email to them. And when you're finished, you click upload the file, and it saves, and it goes back to the home screen.